In this video, I will show you how you can fix if your AirPods or your AirPods Pro are not connecting with your Android phone. Now to fix this issue, first of all, just open the lid of your AirPods and check if you see an LED at the front of your AirPods case or not. If you see an orange LED or if you do not see an LED at all, then this means that your AirPods are out of charge. Just charge your AirPods for a couple of minutes, then just try to pair your AirPods back with your Android phone. Now if this did not work, then just follow the next method. For that, just close the lid of your AirPods, then wait for a couple of seconds. After a couple of seconds, then just open the lid back open, then double tap 3 times on the LED on your AirPods case. Now this is the first time, the second time, and the third time. After the third double tap, you will see an orange LED on your AirPods case, which means that you have done a factory reset of your AirPods. Now, if you're using AirPods Pro or any other AirPods which have a button at the back of the AirPod, now to do a factory reset on that type of AirPods, just open the lid of your AirPods, then press and hold the button at the back of your AirPod until you see the orange LED appear on your AirPods case. And after you do that, you will do a factory reset on that type of AirPods. Now the next step is just close the lid of your AirPods. Then on your Android phone, just go to settings. Now under settings, just open the Bluetooth settings. Now if you have connected your AirPods before with your Android phone, just tap on the eye icon in front of your AirPods name, then select Unpair or Forget Device. After you forget your AirPods, now just open the lid of your AirPods, and after you do that, you will see the name of your AirPods appear on your Android phone. Now just tap on your AirPods name and complete the pairing process. Now just check if your issue is fixed or not. Now if you have done that and if your issue is still not fixed, then on your Android phone just press and hold the power button until you see the power menu on the screen, or just press the power button and the volume up button at the same time until you open the power menu. After you open the power menu, then just select Restart. Now just wait until your Android phone completes the restart process. And after the restart process is completed, then just open the control center on your Android phone and make sure you turn on Bluetooth. After you turn on Bluetooth, then just open the lid of your AirPods case. Now just go to the Bluetooth settings and tap on the name of your AirPods. And after you do that, you will pair your AirPods with your Android phone. And this is how you can fix if your AirPods or your AirPods Pro are not connecting with your Android phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.